So to minimize space, I don't use a large tree stand or bike stand is what they call it in the industry. I use a little short stand that just raises the back wheel off the ground. Minimum effort, you're not going to get as tired if you're using a stool to work. And so my entire goal is to save as much energy for myself for after I get done building 20 bikes or so. Because I'm going fishing, kayak fishing after I'm done. So I want to have as much energy left over. But yeah, this is what I use. Very simple tools, $20 online. Your bike stands are about range anywhere from $50 to $150. And so I keep it very basic and very simple. Works well for me.